Need to fix email notifications not working? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and move into notifications. Once again, scroll down and search for the application Mail. Once the application has been found, simply click on it. Make sure that the Allow Notification options is turned on. Also, you have to enable all of these alert settings: lock screen, notification center, and also banner. After this, check whether the issue has been fixed or not. If not, the next thing you want to do is move into any of the third party that you have been using. Let me move into Gmail. Make sure that Allow Notifications is turned on. After that, the next thing you want to do is try turning off the focus mode on your device. Slide down and then tap and hold this option. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Once it has been turned off, it should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.